Right now, your favorite apps are running experimental AI algorithms on you, and you have absolutely no idea. That machine learning model that achieved near-perfect accuracy on a developer's laptop, the second it touches the live internet, it hits a wall. Laboratory metrics rarely equal real-world business impact because a perfectly sterile test environment simply cannot simulate human chaos. Releasing static code into a live environment causes unexpected, bizarre decisions. The system lags, predictions fall apart, and suddenly companies bleed millions of dollars in a matter of minutes. People often assume you launch a major update by just splitting your audience in half overnight and seeing what happens. That is a financial death wish. If the new model collapses under real interaction, half of your entire business crashes with it. Deploying lab-tested AI without a safety net is an unacceptable gamble. To survive the brutal reality of the internet, elite engineers build a specialized defensive architecture. The first layer of this defense is called shadow mode. It operates as a completely invisible, zero-consequence testing environment that runs parallel to reality. Think of a newly hired employee at a high-stakes sales firm. You do not hand them a top-tier client account on day one. You make them sit silently beside a senior veteran. They listen, take notes, and write down their own responses, but they never actually speak to the client. Deploy the new model next to the old one. The system duplicates user requests. The old model responds directly, while the new model routes answers into a hidden database. Engineers safely analyze this lock data, spotting memory leaks and clocking execution speed without user risk. Major food delivery platforms do this constantly. They test new delivery time estimations silently in the background, while real couriers drive through rush hour traffic. If the new timing model is completely wrong, the customer never goes hungry because the old model is still running the show. Shadow mode lets a new system absorb the actual rhythm of live traffic, proving it can handle the pressure without risking a single dollar. Once the code survives the dark, it is ready for actual human interaction. But you still don't open the floodgates. You use strict containment. Initiate a Canary release. Instruct your load balancer to shift exactly 5% of traffic to the new model, keeping 95% safely on the old. If errors occur, engineers instantly sever the connection for zero downtime. If steady, traffic gradually scales to 20%. The Canary release acts as a mechanical blast door. Even if the new AI completely fails under real-world interaction, the core business remains untouched. Only after the Canary survives does the new model finally face off against the veteran system in a true split test. To pull this off, engineers use a central API gateway, essentially a digital traffic cop. It cleanly divides all incoming HTTP requests right down the middle, sending half to a blue control group and the other half to a green treatment group. But this is where testing often collapses. Before a single request is routed, you absolutely must establish a strict baseline performance metric. You have to know exactly how much revenue the old model generates on an average Tuesday. Without that firm baseline, you open yourself up to false success. A sudden random spike in user activity could easily be misread as your brilliant new code working, when in reality, it was just a busy day on the internet. If you don't track the starting point, you cannot justify the financial return on investment. Elite engineering requires proving actual business value, not just tracking a split result. By combining invisibility, strict traffic containment, and baseline truth, you build a fortress that neutralizes the chaos of the real world. These same patterns, running models in the shadows before giving them control, are moving into global hospitals, power grids, and autonomous vehicles. AI is transitioning from recommending movies to managing surgical robots and citywide electrical loads. In these environments, the cost of an error shifts from lost revenue to physical safety. A logic failure in a food delivery app means a late dinner, but that same failure in a power grid can cause a regional blackout. When failures can cost human lives, robust deployment safety nets stop being academic experiments. They become mandatory requirements for the infrastructure of a modern city. Building a brilliant model is only half the battle. The difference between an amateur coder and a systems architect is the refusal to leave real-world performance to chance.